Hey friends, welcome back to our Kafka series. Today we're answering an important question. What is a Kafka partition? You hear this term all the time in Kafka discussions, but what does it really mean? Let's find out, with a simple explanation and real-world example. A Kafka partition is basically a subdivision of a topic. When you create a topic in Kafka, you can split it into multiple partitions. Why? Because partitions help Kafka handle huge amounts of data by spreading the load across servers. In one line, partitions shows parallel pipelines inside a topic. Real-life analogy, pizza slices. Think of a Kafka topic like a pizza. Each slice of the pizza, that's a partition. Instead of eating one giant pizza in one go, impossible, right? You slice it up, and multiple people can eat at the same time. Kafka does the same, slices the data so multiple consumers or servers can process it in parallel. When a producer sends messages to a topic, Kafka decides which partition each message goes to. This can be random, round-robin, based on a key, like user ID, or something you control manually. Each partition is ordered, and messages in a partition get a unique offset number. Partitions are super important because they increase throughput, more data processed at once, balance load, across multiple brokers, enable message replay, based on offsets, support parallelism in consumers and producers. Let's sum it up. A topic is made of one or more partitions. Each partition holds an ordered list of messages. Messages are assigned offsets. Partitions enable scalability, ordering, and parallel processing. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more data engineering made easy, and comment below if you want to learn about Kafka consumer groups next.